Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best 3-wheel scooters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Globber Primo 3-wheel scooter. Globber is dedicated to ensuring your kids learn to balance and enjoy riding kick scooters. That is why they have made this adjustable height scooter. The handlebar features patented secure locking mechanism that enables height adjustment in a second. Apart from spring-aided steering mechanism, the scooter has superb construction. With high-quality materials and craftsmanship, it is excellently reliable. In fact, the deck is steel-reinforced and has high grip surface. Hence, there is no slipping risk during high action. To improve the performance, the scooter has sturdy wheels. It's these high-rebound POO wheels and ABEC bearings that give the scooter high rolling ability. Moreover, it rides smoothly on all floor types without damaging or causing noise. It is rated 110 pounds weight capacity and ideal for 2 to 6 years. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kickboard Deluxe kick scooter. For trusted safety and efficiency, the Kickboard Deluxe scooter is a good pick. The designing ensures kids get perfect grip for the maximum ride. In fact, the deck features silicone insulation that keeps feet intact and free from slipping. Thus, even when performing styles, the rider gets unmatched safety. The bar is adjustable to match the rider's height. This helps in maintaining the performance at the highest point. Also, the sleek anodized finish gives the scooter a modern look. With deck and handlebar having matching colors, unlike the other scooters that produce noise as they move, this one profoundly quiet. The large, soft and smooth POO wheels ensure it rolls quietly. The POO wheels also absorb bumps while the durable design and deck support up to 150 pounds. Above all, this kick scooter is certified by CPSC to ensure maximum safety. At number 3, we have the XHBAN Kids Kick Scooter 3 Wheels Children Outdoor Toy Folding, LED Flicker. When you think about giving your kids perfect gift, this scooter by XHBAN makes an ideal solution. It's one of the safest options due to the company dedications to improving the safety. To achieve this, it features a broad deck and large stable tires. The nylon wheels with sleek LED offers safe rolling. The construction and designing of this scooter features perfect craftsmanship. In fact, it's simple to adjust the handle depending on the kid's height. The folding handle also ensures storage is simple especially for constrained spaces. At number 2, we have the Globber Scooters Elite 3-wheel folding adjustable height scooter. When you want to improve your kids' mobility and enjoy real fun, kickstand scooter is the real deal. This one by Globber Scooters is one of the surest bet you can put your money. It's a premium quality scooter that delivers high performance. Designed with space saving in mind, it folds down easily without tools. Riding this tricycle scooter gives you great joy and comfort. It features highly insulated handles with super soft materials. This offers excellent grip even when you have sweaty hands. Moreover, the handlebar's height adjusts from 26.5 to 31 inches. Consequently, it gives your kids a chance to enjoy riding this scooter. And finally at number 1, we have the BOOMSkootz Deluxe 3-wheel Maxi scooter, 6 to 10 year old. A good-looking scooter always gives kids inspiration and joy. This BOOMSkootz is perfectly created with kids in mind. It has a new design that let the rider enjoy comfort and overall appearance. With a strong and elegantly decorated deck, it presents a sense of reliability and beauty. Unlike the earlier models, this one boasts improved copper button, replacing the plastic one. Moreover, the redesigned steering system brings added stability and lasts for longer. Apart from upgrading, the scooter features highly durable materials that give it years of use. When the kids are riding this scooter, it presents great elegance due to LED wheels. They are effective and light increases when it accelerates. The deck has outstanding reinforcement for heavyweight support. Amazingly, it can withstand up to 175 pounds. Also, padded handles deliver super soft and sure grip holding. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.